Everybody has their passion. Mine, reliable machinery installation.
Reliability, consistency, sustainability. Trending words on everybody's lips, and words that describe Easy Laser very well. A reliable installation of your machinery is vital, since faulty installations will cost a lot of money. Precision shaft alignment is one of the cornerstones and the starting point for reliable machinery installation. Generation XT covers it all, from base flatness to dynamic measurements. If consistency means having a long-term perspective on things, that is very true about Easy Laser and Generation XT. The products of Generation XT from Easy Laser are designed to last. They are water and dust proof, as well as sturdy and rugged. They also come with a built-in adaptability. Our systems are easy to upgrade and expand, now or in the future. In combination with our commitment to support and service, this means sustainability for the investment made and for the environment. We support the user through the entire product lifecycle. Sustainable, consistent, and reliable.
So, what's your passion?
Generation XT from Easy Laser.